So really important here. Anything else you wanted to say or comment on this study?
Not that one. I got to run. But here's the general takeaway: get your labs done. Let us help you. We can order these worldwide. Let's take a look at all your nutrient levels. Let's get a baseline look at where your nutrient levels are. Obviously, we could do a part 2 on this, so we could discuss the gut infections and all the other factors, not only just the dietary deficiencies, but also what's happening internally from a parasite or a bacterial infection perspective. So let's earmark that. Let's do a part 2 on nutrient deficiency, like more root cause stuff outside of nutrition and soil degradation. But then if you need help clinically, reach out to us. Let us get these labs done so we can see where you're at. Because sure, we could just throw a professional multi at you, but there are certain cases where we're going to actually spot treat. We're going to do things a little differently. So Dr. J can help you with this at justinhealth.com, and we can get a workup done and look at your levels and then make a customized protocol that's going to fix your specific issues. We have some people, they're taking too much of something and they don't need to, or they're taking not enough of something else. That's where we come in and dial it in. So that's Dr. J at Justin Health, or me. I'm at evanbrand.com. You can reach out to us. We'd love the opportunity to help you and your family and your kids. We work with all ages, so we'd love the opportunity.
Just to highlight one more thing, Evan, you made some good points. It all starts with the diet first. We have to really get the good food quality coming in. Cooking is a big deal too. If we're not breaking down our food, cooking is pre-digestion. And if we have poor enzymes or poor acids, or we're stressed hormonally, we can burn through our nutrients higher. When we're cortisol's up, we can pee a lot of our B vitamins or even minerals and electrolytes like potassium out. And so the more stressed you are, you will deplete your nutrients faster. So it's not just, hey, put more in. Yeah, that's important, but also make sure you're digesting it. Also make sure we have the hormones and the good lifestyle strategies in place. And yes, supplements are going to be important. Look at that Senate document 264 from 89 years ago. That's a big deal. That was almost 90 years ago to the day. And it's only gotten worse, right? It's only gotten worse, and we're eating more processed food. And there's different testing we can do, whether it's red blood cell magnesium, whether it's organic acids, whether it's intercellular nutrient tests. We can look deeper under the hood and really get specific. And then we can customize protocols with our professional grade supplements. Quality matters. Not all supplements are created equal. Just like the nutrients in an organic potato, or let's say in Joel Salatin's example with the egg, a pasture raised egg versus a conventional egg, it was 20x. Well, guess what? You're going to have similar issues with professional grade products versus non-professional. The quality, the absorption, plus the external excipients in there, lead, those kind of things. You want to make sure you're dealing with the best on that front. Anything else, Evan?
Well said. Well said. Subscribe to the show if you're not already. Apple, Google, Spotify, wherever you listen. Share this with somebody that you know. Every human on this planet, including us, I've measured myself. I still have nutrient deficiencies. So like, there's no perfect people. Even your hottest supermodel in the Victoria's Secret show, she's got nutrient deficiencies too. Okay. So this is not like some rare thing that only affects certain groups. Okay. This is everyone. So
good point.
All right.
Excellent, Evan. Appreciate it. All right, guys, have an awesome day. Comments below. Love to see what you think. And we'll put recommended labs and stuff down below in the resource section. Take care, y'all.